Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 4:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, November 19th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when the videos come out. Share the video. Click the thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and colleagues. Click the thumbs up to share it with people you don't know because it'll be at the top of the stack and they'll be able to see it. And what are we talking about? Nucypher, and Keep. Intraday Updates are on that Twitter link below. Alrighty. Okay, so Nucypher US dollar still adhering to this line that we drew yesterday, which seems to have occurred. This is from Big Bang. Big Bang to now, we do have a line of support, albeit it is going down. Not the greatest. We'd like to see a reversal here. The reversal might happen, and I've actually been looking at this more shorter term price action when we had the last melt up. Now let's go take a look at the last melt up. Last melt up, we had a decent line of support here back in the November time frame, early November, around November 13th, not even a week ago. This is when we went really sky high, up to $1.35 or so. Once we came back down, we dropped below the support line. And look how it just turned into resistance, just like that. So something to keep your eye on. I have a feeling if we can get over this line of resistance, we could resume a upward trajectory on Nucypher. But we do have to get over this until we can get to the next positive view of what our next area of resistance would be, which is around 89.90 cents. So we are at 84 cents right now. And we do have a floor of support at 77. Hopefully we don't have to go back down that way, but we could. In the meantime, let's go over to Nucypher Bitcoin. We are over this line here, so we are definitely staying above the 1436 range, which is okay. We drew this yesterday. We spiked through it. Obviously, over the last, this morning in the wee hours, we were all the way up. The 1511, we pulled back, and we have been over this line. So this seems to be a decent line of support right here at 1436. Obviously, we'll have to get a little further above that in order to start seeing better price action on the Nucypher US dollar pair, but we are sort of bound between 1467 and 1438. And sorry for the very small visual here. There we go. In the meantime, Keep the US dollar is over the line. We were down as far as right over here yesterday, literally hugging the 61 cent range, but we knew we had a reasonable area of support because we've been closely tracking this, and we did spike up. We spiked up all the way over here. Literally at 1 in the morning, we were at 81 cents. We pulled back all the way back down to this resistance area at 69 cents. Go figure. And I didn't touch these lines. These lines are tried and true. These lines are appreciating prior price action. That's what I like about these. However, we did hit and we came back down. Now we're right around there at 71,682. Support right now is 69. Resistance is 79. In the meantime, Keep to Bitcoin. I didn't have my drink yet. I promise you. We do have an area right over here of resistance. This is the area that we've drawn from the past. We've had it out here for a while. We do spike through it, but then we come back and we pull back. Now, hopefully we can stay over this area of support, which we're hugging right now at 1236, but 1230 seems to be an area of support. If we can't stay over that, well, then we might wind up coming back down to the 1048 range. So, this could come down another 20, maybe 15 to 20% in worst case scenario, according to this. But at the same time, we could bounce back into or above this shaded area. So we'll have to keep you posted on that. But Bitcoin, I posted this picture out earlier, meaning this descending resistance line. It is definitely looking like we're passing it, but barely, and it looks like we're going to just trickle down. So unfortunately, the bounce that we were hoping for didn't happen, but we also did expect the possibility and the very, very 50-50 possibility that we would hit 54K, and it does look like we might get there. We're down to 57.99.15. In order for us to get over and feel like we may have a reversal, we got to get over 58.5 in order for us to start feeling like there's that possibility. But right now, this thing's very bearish, but bearish to a point. and the bearish to the point is 54K. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance, and this is why I consider this a healthy correction. In addition to that, it does feel like there's a lot less fear in the market. Looking at this right here, we do have an area. This is looking like an M pattern. So it could start spiking up a little bit, but I'm not quite sure yet. So we're going to continue to watch this, but certainly this is looking great. I mean, the fact that we're going all the way down to 42.71 so quickly from all the way up here, 44.28. I mean, this is pretty remarkable drop for the period of time we're talking about, less than a day. So I think overall, this definitely plays into strength and less fear in the crypto market, which is what we want to see, especially if you're an altcoin holder, because fear typically will kill the altcoin folks a lot worse than the Bitcoin folks. Just keep that in mind. In the meantime, Nucypher, 84 and change. See how this bad boy rides out. I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Take